While we are definitely an adventurous family and love all the big thrills of travel, sometimes it's also nice to just take a walk in the park. This week we explored two of Cape Town's local gardens, the world-renowned Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens and the historic Company Gardens in the heart of Cape Town.
We are the Culture Trotters!
In late February, we left the States with nothing more than carry-on to become a full-time world-traveling family. 3 weeks in, COVID-19 shut down the world and changed everything.
We had quite the adventure writing things out in Mexico. After 7 months, we are finally ready for the next chapter. Click that subscribe button and join us as we continue our journey around the world and head across the ocean to the continent of Africa. In the words of Helen Keller, life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. The Company Gardens are the oldest gardens in South Africa, dating back to the 1650s. It is within walking distance of our Airbnb, which for us means we have strolled through it several times. It is home to several museums, historic buildings, monuments, and unique play spaces. But for us, the top attraction is getting to feed the friendly little squirrels and pigeons.
Gotta get some peanuts to feed the birds? All right. Or the squirrels, whoever wants it. He also has corn. You know what's good about corn? What? You won't be tempted to eat it.
If you want them, you have to get them. I can see you. I'm sorry, I don't have any nuts. I don't have any. But the kids do. You have to go over to where the kids are.
At first, we were able to get the squirrels to come up and grab a nut or two out of our hands before they run off. But after some time, the kids learn a few tricks to gain the squirrels' trust and really get to spend some quality time with them.
I think it's good luck if you see a white squirrel. If you see two white squirrels, must be super good luck.
The pigeons take little effort at all to win over. Anyone with a little food will soon be surrounded by them. Sometimes you don't even need food at all. Just hold out your arm or stand still long enough and a pigeon will use your arm as a perch. Or your head.
Oh my goodness, I see it. Take a photo of it. I am taking a video.
But beware, their talons can be a little bit sharp.
Did it scratch you?
Alejandro likes to just lay down on the ground and let the pigeons land all over him.
One's on your head, Alejandro. Wow.
One day, a man came with a big bag of birdseed and gathered a very large flock of birds. Something spooked them, and the birds took to the sky, circling the park with beautiful synchronization. Shortly after, Arabella discovered what spooked them. Even though we are in a large city, it is still in Africa, and birds of prey still call this place home.
Oh, they flew over to my peanuts now. The bag of peanuts I'm holding.
Spending the day in the gardens always calls for a little treat. So after we feed the birds the last of our nuts, we like to make our way over to one of the 2 cafes in the garden for a little afternoon tea.
Stopped for some tea. We're going to read some Pippi Longstocking. And Arabella, can you tell us what happened to you?
I was climbing a tree, and as I was going down, I just discovered, and it ripped my
Jumper. Is that your favorite jumper?
Don't worry, it's your only jumper.
Yes. And Arabella, was it brand new? Yeah. So that was your favorite outfit, and it's ruined now? Now what did the lady do to help you out?
She got me a scarf and put it around.
Yeah, because it's totally ripped open, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like the one, I think I like the one with the flying monkey on it. Fabulous. Okay. We can all share this. It has rose in it.
Yeah, it has rose pelargonia.
Ooh, so fancy.
We are in South Africa at the world famous Botanical Garden. We're in the world famous Botanical Gardens in South Africa. Today we're exploring the Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. Again!
The Botanical Gardens are set on the slopes of Table Mountain and were founded with the idea of preserving the natural and indigenous plants of the area. And that's where things get a little weird. Earth has 6 floral kingdoms, which contain many plants unique to that kingdom. 5 of these kingdoms are huge, and then there is the little one around the Cape. This tiny area has tons of plants that you can only find in this one area. While most botanical gardens are extremely landscaped, the vast openness of these gardens and the natural flora make it feel more like a nature preserve than a garden. Kids are happy to spend all day in the garden as there is so much nature for them to play in. They love climbing all of the amazing trees.
We spent a lot of time here.
This wild almond tree in the enchanted forest just so happens to be the kids' favorite climbing tree in the gardens. And the reason I have yet to see all of the gardens.
Last time we came here, we got in this creek and tried to catch some tadpoles. We caught some, we had tons of fun, and now we're here again to do it again. Hunter, I see one. Ever caught tadpoles? Okay, so we found some more tadpoles, and I think the cool part about them is that they can blend in very well.
As you can see, there is no shortage of spaces to just be a kid and run free.
We're getting ready to go on the canopy walk. It's one of the major attractions at the Botanical Gardens. It feels like you're just walking on air because it moves with the wind.
As we have already pointed out, a day in the gardens means a stop for afternoon tea.
This is our favorite thing when we come here is to get the strawberry lemonade. 1, 2, 3, cheers! So we ordered tea here today at the gardens.
The national flower of South Africa is the king protea. While we have seen several other kinds of protea flowers in the markets and growing in the mountains, in the several months we have been here, we have never seen the king protea. That is, until today.
I walked all the way over here to find the protea garden. I don't see any of them. Look what we found! Wow! Everybody come over here so we can see how big it is. Wow!
No.
This is the protea flower of South Africa.
King flower. The king protea.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the king protea. What were the things?
Thanks for watching. If you're a fan of Masai Bob Dylan here, give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button to follow us on all of our adventures, and ring the bell to get a notification the next time we post a video.